Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Right now I'm gonna do a food review. So right now I'm gonna be eating some broccoli.
Where's it from?
Damn, no.
Okay. Not the best.
Where's it from?
You said-
Aubrey's.
Yeah, I don't know how to say that.
What else are you eating?
I'm eating a baked potato with some cheese and butter.
Mm-hmm.
So just gotta open that. Might as well just take the thing
Yoshi!
out.
Yummy!
How much butter did they give me?
Heart attack.
Yoshi!
Give me like no cheese and some butter.
Yoshi!
Should have ate it warmer when it was warmer. Do you want me to heat it up?
No.
Yummy!
You're just gonna eat straight butter?
No.
Do you want me to heat it up some?
No, I can eat straight butter. Straight butter tastes good.
Weirdo.
No, I am not weirdo. Why does the butter feel like that?
Because it's soft butter.
I go. Well, I need a fork. I might as well just scream it.
What do you think, Travi?
It's hard to get open with a spoon.
Why don't you use a fork?
I don't know.
How's it taste?
Really good.
Good. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do you give the potato?
10 out of 10.
And what about the broccoli?
7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. Cool.
And then Mr. Drink apple juice,
Some apple juice.
which is a 10 out of 10.
Mommy, look!
Okay.